Hello friends, I am here in beautiful Monterey, California, the Monterey Peninsula. Although there's a storm coming in next day or so that could create the Monterey Island. So I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to get out of here or not. I'm up here at the Cal Chiefs conference and having a great time with some old friends, and I get to speak on Wednesday, which is going to be great, I hope. And just having a great time in this beautiful, although, somewhat gloomy weather up here. But I wanted to talk to you today about pruning. And what do you like? What do you mean pruning, Charlie? Well, I mean like pruning, like pruning your rose bushes or you're pruning your tree. And the purpose of pruning is to cut off the dead branches or the dying branches because it sucks the life out of the rest of the plant. And the more you prune it, the healthier the plant is, the healthier the bush is, the healthier the tree is. And I apply this concept of pruning to my social media feed. I recommend this to anyone that I talk to who's getting really frustrated with social media. As you know, social media can get very negative. It can get political, and if that's not your thing, if that's not your jam, which is not mine, you can actually prune your social media feeds. So you can go through each of your social media platforms, and there's an opportunity when you see a post that really doesn't agree with you or kind of sets you off or maybe triggers you, is to just click on it, and it's usually on the top right corner, and you can say, I don't want to see this. And usually it'll ask you why you don't want to see it. I don't like political content, or this is not appropriate for me. And I do this quite a bit. And what happens is the algorithm figures out what you want to see, and it allows you to take more control or have some agency over what you're seeing. And that's really important because that social media is an influence, and it's creating a lot of problems for people, especially our younger folks are experiencing higher rates of depression and anxiety as a result of social media. So if you get a chance, go through your feed and prune it. All right, get off those dying branches, those dead branches, and stop it from sucking the life out of you. And I think you'll feel better for it. All right, I'm gonna enjoy the rest of my run and hopefully not get rained on. Take care, have a great day.